Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my basement apartment. Hopefully this will be of help to any of you who moved into a small space like a studio or a bedroom. And I hope I can give you some ideas with the way I decorated. I know I'm not like an interior decorator or anything like that. But I hope it's helpful to you. So stick around. Welcome to my house, everybody. My little basement apartment. Don't mind my raspy, ugly voice. This is the entrance, obviously. This is my door. So this is Sarai's little homework workspace area. That's my little storage there. It looks tiny, but the inside is huge. Like, not that I could stand up in there, but it's pretty big. And yeah, I got my kitchen over there, which I left my bathroom door open. And yes, I'm one of those people. One of those people that fills their fridge door with stuff. I mean, there's probably people with more stuff on their fridge door, but that's just me. And I got my stuff here, my microwave and all that good stuff. Kitchen, my little coffee thing, even though I don't drink coffee. That's mostly for when other people come over. But yeah. And that's the forbidden room. This is my bathroom. Very tiny. I just have a shower. And hi. Not much to see here, just a small little tiny bathroom. You come this way is my dining little area here. And I need to work on like wall decor, that kind of like, I don't know, I feel like there needs to be something better there. And my TV used to be on this, but then I moved it because I needed space for my tree. This is my little basket with a whole bunch of blankets so that when I watch movies I can be nice and cozy. There's my little fish, well, Sarah's fish. His name is Yankee Irving. And that's my Christmas tree. Look how pretty. And that's Dada, my little baby. So yeah, I don't have really festive pillows or anything. I wanted to replace that one right there. I feel like it doesn't even go with anything, but this door right here is my room. Super tiny. It's like the tiniest room ever. I've never been in a smaller room than this, to be honest. And that's all there is to this. And that's my broken window mirror that I have there. I kind of want to paint this and switch out these things, but that'll be a summer project because I'll have to do that outside. And behind my door here, I have my mirror so that I can check myself out before I leave. Sarai's little space that she calls her room. This is my closet. I'm not going to open it. It's super tiny and yeah. So this is Sarai's little corner of my room. I drew that for her. And yeah, that's all there is. And that window, she has her own like an imitation of mine going on her side. So I thought that was pretty cute. Yeah. If you would have seen this space when I moved here, you wouldn't even think that this could have looked like this. Like, this is a full-size bed, but I have it sideways. That's why it looks like this. It looks like it's a king-size bed, but it's like short or something like that. But I actually sleep that way, like with my head over there, my feet over here. That's how I sleep. That's pretty much all there is to see. That's my house. very small. Ugly. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Maybe if someone out there is looking at this space and has another idea of what to do with it, just let me know. So yeah, this is my little cave, as I like to call it. Okay everyone, that was my basement apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed watching, and also I hope it wasn't too annoying listening to my voice, because I do have a cold and my throat is very sore. So I tried to talk throughout my video so that you can like know what the heck I'm showing you. But I hope that wasn't too annoying to listen to. And yeah, let me know any suggestions you have with this really small space. This is like the best I could come up with to work around the poles and all that stuff. So yeah, let me know what you liked or what you didn't like. Stay tuned for next time. Bye.